Hello there! I have always admired anyone who can wear such long nails. I personally like creating designs for long nails. If you like long nails, then you will like today's video. Just keep on watching. The base of the nail is painted with 2 coats of a beige gel color, and I have cured the nail between each coat. You know, I like to apply nail glue before I start applying the nail decoration on the nail. What do you think I have done before applying the nail decoration? The nail decoration consists of a nail charm, caviar beads, and pearls. Cure the nail when you are happy with the placement of the nail decoration. Now we have come to nail 2. I have applied 2 coats of a light pink color and cured between coats. You can use another sheer color if you want instead. Now I have already applied nail glue to the nail before applying the nail decoration to the nail. Here too, you can use a different color of rhinestone if you want. Cure the nail when you are done with the application, and then finish the design by applying top coat and curing the nail. Now we are halfway through the video. What do you think of the video? Here too, the base is 2 layers of a light pink gel color. On this design, I have chosen to apply rhinestone around the entire nail and then finish the nail design by applying a nail charm in the center of the nail, and of course, we then cure the nail. Finish the design by applying top coat and cure again. The base of the nail is painted with 2 layers of the color black, and then I have applied top coat to be able to apply the green nail chrome. After I have applied the nail chrome, I always apply top coat so that the nail chrome sits better on the nail. After that, I applied nail glue to be able to apply the nail decoration. Do you have any other technique on how to apply nail chrome? Feel free to leave a comment and tell me. Finish the nail design with top coat and then harden the nail. Now we have come to the last nail of the design. Here too, I have applied 2 layers of the black gel color and cured between the layers. Then, applied top coat, and now I am applying nail chrome in the color gold. After that, I applied top coat and then nail glue. We finish the design by applying the nail decoration and then cure the nail for 60 seconds. The last step in the nail design is to apply top coat and cure the nail. Hope you enjoyed today's video and hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.